असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
And now, again stretch your both legs. Your right hand pointed towards right side. Stretch your hands and bring up your left hand and bring down your right hand, and you are exhaling when you are coming down. Normal breathing. Come up, straighten your leg and Parshva Trikonasana now. Parshva Trikonasana, again same way. Bend, straighten your left foot and take your right hand up and bring down your left hand and your chest on your thighs, and other hand. You can stand, you can balance yourself without the help of your hand. So this way you are watching it. It is one of the variation. You can do it. The other variation I will let you know. This asana. This is Parshva Trikonasana. Again to the other side. Yes. Coming down. This way. You are watching it. Again, actually the perfect asana, this asana is when you, this is the second variation, you bring down your chest, your hand is just along with your thighs, left thighs, right thighs, and you are coming down this way and take your hand up this way. Actually this is actual Parshva Konasana. Now, and repeat it to the other side. Again, coming down and take your hands up. Come up, straighten your leg. This is your Parshva Konasana. One variety of this Trikonasana is, which is mostly demonstrated by Swami Ramdev. So this is again to be shown to you. Stretch your hands and take your right hand up and this way. Come up and now repeat it to the other side. Again, you are here exhaling. Swami Ramdev says that you are to inhale. Here, you have to hold your breath and exhale. So, there is variation as far as inhaling and exhaling is concerned. Some school of yoga, they say that when you bend to the side, you are to inhale. And some other schools say that you are to exhale. It depends upon the stamina you want to develop. I will let you know Kati Chakrasana after it, or Kati Chakrasana can be performed just after your Kati Asana. Just Kati Asana. So it is this way, and this is, you take your left hand back, you are watching it, again bringing it and taking your right hand back. This is your some standing exercise, but two more exercise, that is forward bending and back bending. Now straight, just toes and heel together. Take your hand forward, come up, inhale, bend back, you are inhaling, and bend forward. Again, do it at least 10 times. After completing 10 rounds, you have to stretch your hand and now forward, back, bending, creating maximum flexibility in your body. Now take your hand back. At least 20 times it is to be done. This is the perfection of asana when your chin touches your knees. Both palms on the both sides of his feet and palms on the ground. And so these are your standing exercise.